Good morning, Expert Corner Group. This is Mark, and I'm trying to make a video for everybody and deal with a user issue, a concern. We're talking about the L brackets that we offer from the Wicked Edge Expert Corner Group, the printed L brackets. This is an original Wicked Edge metal bracket. This is one of our printed brackets. This is a quick lock arm that we're using. This is a machine thread that Wicked Edge uses. I'm going to show you with a machine thread to make a point. See, it's wobbling. It wobbles. The machine thread into the lock screw on our brackets, it wobbles. The lock arm on the original machined aluminum brackets from Wicked Edge, they wobble. The point I'm trying to make is that a screw going through threads is loose. It doesn't have anything holding it. This lock arm, whether it's on plastic or not, it is going to wobble until it bottoms out. As soon as I get the screw started, okay, I'm turning the screw, it bottomed out. Now with it bottomed out, I set the lock arm. Full lock, full loose, full lock. Now full lock, I'm pulling on it, I'm pushing with my thumbs. It's not moving, I'm pulling. But I could twist it further to tighten it further. For what reason, I don't know, because I'm trying to pull this loose and I can't. And don't forget, your guide rods are attached to here with your stones. But your stones are free slipping up and down on the knife. They're free slipping. This is just rotating around here. There's not a lot of pressure. So this is tight. I mean, I'm trying to show you. This is on here solid. But it still wobbles because it's not meant to hold side to side. It's meant to push and pull. And if you over crank it, it will bust it loose because this is threaded plastic. If you over tighten it on the metal, something's going to give. It's not plastic, so it's not going to bust loose, but something's going to break, whether the threads break or the threads break inside here. Something's got to give because you're trying to crank it against a solid wall, and the threads are going to spin until something breaks, either the screw or the thread. So it's not solid. It's not what you think, and we're looking to examine it without using it. We're seeing that it wobbles, but it's tight. That's how it is. So I don't know what more to say other than you can break it. If you want to break it, you're going to break it. If you want to use it, it will work fine for you without any problems. If you use it within how the design is meant to be used. It is plastic. You're paying for plastic. You're not paying for metal. Now, if you should feel that you stripped it, they are ambidextrous. They are screws on both sides. Simply swap your brackets end for end. Just take it off and turn it around the other way. And then use the screw on the other side. turning it until it locks. That's full lock. That little bit of a touch, okay, that one slid. A little bit more and it's solid. From this is a little bit of a slide to this is a solid lock. It works very well. It's not meant to torque it, twist it sideways. It's meant to lock in. If you should feel that you stripped a screw hole, there should be no reason for you to do, but if you do, you can swap your brackets end for end. I am trying to teach you how to use them carefully. Yes, you can force them to failure. You can break them. They don't need to be forced to failure and broken. They can be used how they're designed to be used. They are not metal. They are plastic. I am not making any excuse for the quality. It is plastic. I'm representing it that way. It can be forced to break. If it's used how it is intended to be used, it is super tight. It doesn't take but a little bit to get it tight. So then adjust your arm so that it stops and doesn't over tighten. Fully loose, fully tight. I'm pulling on it. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure to lock that in solid. It is what it is, and it is priced accordingly. So no excuses. You can break them, but if you use them for what they are, and I'm not saying you have to baby them. I'm just saying that you don't use them with the thought that that's going to break, so I'm going to break it to show you that it's going to break. If you use it accepting what it is, it's a plastic inexpensive part that will do everything that you need to do. There, I busted it loose. It's not sliding. I'm pulling on it, and I'm just moving it. You see where the arm is. So, quick lock arms. Again, if you should strip a hole, turn it around to the other side. Thanks.